Hello everyone, I am Himanshu Kumar Misra, a final year student of BTech Civil Engineering at Faculty of Engineering and Technology, University of Lucknow. And today I am going to give a seminar presentation of Maivan construction. So let's get started. In this presentation, we will discuss about what is introduction of Maivan construction and when it is suitable and what are the components of Maivan construction and construction technique of Maivan construction, then Maivan floor cycle and what are the features of Maivan construction and comparison between Maivan formwork and conventional formwork, then advantages and disadvantages of Maivan construction and then case study and then conclusion. So first, if we talk about the introduction, so Maivan technology is a aluform technology or aluminum form work, and first time it was used in Malaysia in 1990 and developed by Maivan Company Limited. And if we talk about India, in India first time it was used in 2014 to 2015 first time in Mumbai, and now it is used in affordable housing and construction of large projects in India. It is fast, simple, adaptable and cost effective. And then when it is suitable, so it is suitable in mass housing projects, then typical floors and fast construction required, high quality, high suitable to load bearing structure and columnless structure. So what are the components of Maivan construction? Maivan formwork components are divided based on a location of use. So for wall components, wall panel, rockers, kickers and stopping. And if we talk about a beam components, in beam components, beam side panel, prop head and panels for soffit beam. And deck components, deck panels, deck prop and prop length and soffit length. And these are the some figure of Maven components. First one is beam components and then deck components and wall components and other components. Now, if we talk about a construction technique of Maven former, so the formwork assembly at the site is quick and easy process, and all formwork begins from corner and proceed from there. The system usually follow assembling the reinforcement steel, then placement of aluminum former, and then pouring of concrete. And this is a Maven floor cycle, 5 days cycle. So if we talk about a day first, in day first, the first activity consists of erection of vertical reinforcement bars. And day two, one side of the vertical former for the entire floor or a part of one floor. And day three, the second activity involves erection of the second side of the vertical formwork, deck panels, and all supporting work of slab. And in day 4, fixing reinforcement bars for floor slab. And in day 5, after completion of all checking, casting of walls and slab. In last days, removal of vertical formwork panel after 24 hours, leaving the props in places for 7 days and floor slab formwork in place for half days. Now, what are the features of Maven construction? And if we talk about a feature of Maven construction, then first one is sheet thickness and size of panel. So the concrete wall panel is 5 mm thick and the panels reusable up to 250 times. And if we talk about a standard size of a panel, then standard size of a panels are 2000 into 600, 2000 into 300 and 850 into 300. And if we talk about a load carrying capacity, so it has 7 to 8 tons per square meter capacity. And due to use of aluminum as a material, it is light in weight and its weight around 18 to 20 kg per square meter. And then striking time. So if we talk about a striking time, then vertical formwork 12 hour after concreting or when concrete attains a strength up to 2 Newton mm per square. And if we talk about a horizontal former, in horizontal former 36 hours after concreting or when concrete attains a strength up to 10 Newton mm per square. Then second, high speed of construction can be achieved by this system. That means faster completion of project and 5 days per floor. Now we see comparison between Maven and conventional farmer. If we talk about a comparison, then speed of construction in Maven farmer 4 days cycle per floor and in conventional farmer 10 days cycles per floor. And if we talk about the quality of surface finish, in Maven farmer, excellent plastering is not required, but in conventional farmer, plastering is required due to its bad surface. Now, accuracy in construction. So, Maven farmer accurate construction and conventional farmer less than Maven farmer. And if you talk about the resistance to earthquake, then Maven is a good in resistance and in conventional farmers less than Elu farmer. Now last, pre-planning of farmer system. In Maven farmer, pre-planning of farmer system required and in conventional farmer not required. Now we see advantages of Maven construction. So first, uniformity in all components of structure and easy to handle and does not require skilled labor. Aluminium does not rust like steel. Therefore, the aluminium formwork can be reused hundred of times. And formwork is made with an aluminium alloy which has high tensile strength and is also very hard. And scrap value is also high. Now, disadvantages of Maven construction. So, due to casting of all members, any modification is not possible to carry out. And due to presence of shear wall, heat of hydration is also high and not suitable for small scale projects and initial cost is also high. Now, we will discuss about the case study. So, the case study is based on the construction of building by Maven Technology at Godrej Housing Project for Simpler at Gurgaon, India. Now, client Godrej Premium Builders Private Limited and PMC Feedback Infrastructure Services Private Limited and contractor Simplex Infrastructure Services Private Limited and design consultant RSP Design Consultants Private Limited. And if we talk about a total area, then total area is 22.123 acres and built up area 25.55 lakh square feet. And if we talk about a Maven cost, then here we considering building and Maven cost as 150 USD per square meter and without any taxes. So 1 USD is equal to 62.54 INR. Now we talk about a conclusion. So concrete construction has gone through significant changes since the early 1990s and continues to develop innovation in former. Some of the pioneering companies in modern formworking system are Perry, Doka System, Miva, Acro. We have tried to cover each and every aspect related to Maven shuttering formwork construction. We thus infer that Maven formwork construction is able to provide high quality construction at unbelievable speed at reasonable cost. This Maven technology has great potential for application in India to provide affordable housing to its rising population. And here are the references from there I have taken the data of my PPT. Thank you.